Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to add animation effects to a photo in FlexClip. First, add a photo as a scene. Then you'll find the Inside Motion button at the top of the canvas. Click it, and you'll see various inside motions on the left side. Hover over a motion to preview the effect, and click to apply it. You can also apply the motion to all scenes, or select none to remove the inside motion. Next, add a photo as a layer. Beside Inside Motion, you'll also find the Animation option. There are many more motion effects to choose from, including in, loop, and out categories. Hover over an option to preview the effect on the canvas, then click to apply it. Feel free to choose and apply different animation effects to your photo, depending on what you want. Finally, preview the result. If needed, you can simply click the Remove button to remove the motion effects. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.